Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Fortnite. Whenever you are trying to play the game, you get the error, matchmaking error. Let's fix it guys. First you need to make sure you do not have VPN services. If you are using, then you just need to go ahead and disable the VPN guys. And after that you just need to right click on the start icon and select run. In run window you just need to type in cpa.cpl. Click on OK. Right click on the internet you are using it and select properties. Select IPv4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses. In here you need to type 8888 and in alternative DNS server type 8844. This is Google DNS server guys. Select OK. And now you just need to go ahead and relaunch the Fortnite and check if the problem solved or not. If not, you just need to click on the IPv4 again and select properties. Now you just need to type 1111 and 1001. This is Cloudflare DNS guys. Select OK. Now you just need to go ahead and relaunch the Fortnite and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to change the religion and turn off cross-platform. To do this, you just need to open the Fortnite. After launching the game, click on the profile icon and select settings and select gear icon over here. You need to change the matchmaking religion guys. If it is set to auto, then you just need to change it to NA East or NA Central. You just need to change it guys, and after changing it you just need to select apply for save changes. And now you just need to click on this person icon, and on left side you just need to select gameplay privacy. In here, if you have turned on the cross play platform, you just need to make sure to turn it off guys. After turning off, you just need to select apply for save changes and go back and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to remove the custom key. To do this, you just need to scroll down, click on the custom key on here, and if you have entered any key in here, then you just need to press backspace in keyboard and remove the custom key guys. And after doing this, select accept, and now you just need to check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the fourth solution guys. The fourth solution is to add a port in a firewall. To do this, you just need to close it off here. Go to search menu and type Windows Defender Firewall. Comes up Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. Click on it. Click on inbound rules. Select new rule on right side. Select port and select next. Select TCP and check my description for this port used in my video. Just copy this code and paste in here, and after pasting it, just select next and select allow the connection and select next. Check mark all of these and select next. Name this as Fortnite port. Select finish, and after doing this, just close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.